Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, I have a once in a lifetime find sitting right here. This car is not restored. This is original, never painted. It's a 21,000 original mile car. I'm amazed when I've gotten in and out of it and drove it. It's just unbelievable, unrestored original survivor. You go to volocars.com, that's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos of this car and a few hundred other cars. They're all for sale. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the little bell. That way you'll be notified every time we put a video of an amazing car like this on YouTube. You'll be the first to see it. But right now I'm excited to take you for a spin in an unrestored original car. They're only original once. You can restore them over and over, but you cannot make a car original. Black with a red interior. It's a 327, 300 horse with a 4-speed in there. Car is just amazing. The paint is original. We've had experts look at it. We had someone put a paint gauge all around it. It's the original paint. It has minor imperfections. To be honest with you, out in the daylight, I didn't see any. It looked perfect, but under our lights here, there's little chips or little imperfections. On an original paint black car, though, that's nothing. The trim is amazing. It has just enough light, and I mean light patina. I can't call it brand new, but man, is it nice. This trim is straight. It sparkles. The tail lights are beautiful. These sparkle. This trim all the way down the sides is amazing. All of this is just pristine, shiny. Look how everything fits. I rolled this window up. I mean, you could do it with 2 fingers barely on the knob. They roll up and down so nice. The doors click shut. Everything fits amazingly well. No rust, no damage. All the original glass all the way around. Windshield's crystal clear. Again, everything is square and flush. Got one little dent right here, and I'm sure the dent guy can take that out. One minor dent. Some little rock chips on the front. The grille is excellent. It has 4 of the original T3 headlamps in here. It's got reproduction, BFG Silvertowns tires. The spinner wire wheel hubcaps are pristine. The cross flags designates the 327 under the hood. It's got the original antenna. The chrome pillars are real nice. All the weather strips are soft. There is some cracking in the weather strips. A couple little chunks missing here and there. But look how nice it is. The door jambs are beautiful. And look how that red interior just pops. Trunk compartment's original. That's the original gray and white spatter finish paint from the factory. It's never been resprayed. Those are the original mats. They're dated on the back. The original mats is one of the original tires for a spare. The jack is there. All of this is original. Trunk light works. The rubber is soft. The interior, the red, black and red. Oh my God. When you sit in this car, it's like no other car. It's brand new. It's amazing. The steering wheel, the trim up around the top, sparkles. The door panels are pristine. The knobs, the lenses, the dash, the seat cushions, the upholstery. It's got no mice living in there. It doesn't stink. It's not beat up. Even inside the console is like new. In the glove box is mint. All the interior lights work. 2-owner car. One owner up until 2014. He sold it with about 18,000 miles, the original owner. Second owner, who we got it from, went ahead and serviced the car. He put on the reproduction tires. He put on a new dual exhaust system, new shocks. He did repaint the engine. They did a very neat, careful job. It looks brand new. So the engine's been repainted orange. Everything else is original and stock looking. The latches and the door jambs are mint, has deluxe seat belts, the full console with the shifter, the chrome shifter. Second owner also put a retro stereo in there, did not cut the dash, so it fits right in there. Right before the video, I was laying on the floor looking up under the dash. It's like brand new. In the door jambs here on both sides, the original tape is still there that holds the body shim in place when they put the fender on. The tape is on both sides, old yellowed tape. That's from the factory. It has the original bow tie mirror. So getting back to the motor compartment, this is a 300 horse, so it's a 4-barrel. It's been rebuilt and restored. It has the glass bowl. It does have new GM hoses and clamps, a reproduction Delco battery. It's not one of the fake tops. It's an actual battery. Spring clamp cables. It's the original radiator. The numbers on the front of the motor do match the car. So this is really clean. It has the glass bottle with the washer fluid. There's some assembly line crayon markings. There's SS right here, and then there's something on the firewall, something, and then a D. That's from the assembly lines. Never washed off after all these years. Underneath the car's original, just excellent original condition. I'm going to fire it up for you. The car feels so nice. I just drove it and just pulling it in here, the clutch and the steering and no vibration. It just feels like a new car. You can't duplicate that in a restoration. You just can't. Padded dash, it's a 4-speed, so it has the tachometer right on the dash here. Got the little stars in the headliner and visors, pristine. The mirrors, pristine. This interior you could package up and sell it as new. It's that mint inside there, and it's original. The motor is just purring right now. God, that just runs so nice. I do have oil change sticker back in like 1975. It had 7,000 miles on it. The original owner's manual and the original warranty booklet with the first owner's name, address, the dealer, that it was sold new. That all goes with the car. I know a very serious car collector. He's the one who found this car for the second owner. He kind of helped the transaction. So he knew the first owner and sold it to the second owner, and he verifies that everything is original because he did get it from the original owner. God, that just runs so nice. You hear that click? I barely gave it any effort, and that's with the windows up. $20,981 actual mile unrestored car that's ready to go toe-to-toe in a restored class. It's that nice. Once in a lifetime opportunity. I'm telling you, you won't find this again. We do find low mile original cars. They're usually low miles because it was a 6-cylinder or a car no one in the family wanted. But how a black and red 4-speed Super Sport made it all those years without being driven is amazing. Car's been serviced by the second owner. It's ready to drive and enjoy. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll answer any questions we can. We'll walk you through the whole process of shipping, financing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you can see these amazing videos as they come out. Thanks for watching.